kudu that I saw didn't have horns. So that means that they would be females. Only the males of that species have horns. And they'd be rather noticeable as they grow in a long spiral reaching almost 5 feet in length. Well, we're heading over into the Safi River system. As we make our way through here, keep a close eye in the water for any hippos that might be hanging out around here. Looks like there's a couple up by those logs that are jutting out of the water. Also lots of birds up on the shore here. The largest of the birds here are the pink-backed pelicans. They have more of a pinkish color to them. There's 2 hippos to our right, and they are nocturnal animals, so they'll spend most of the daytime sleeping.
Oh, nice.
And they'll usually stay in. Specifically, these are going to be Maasai giraffe. You can tell their species apart looking at the spots and the patterns that they have. The Maasai giraffe spots have a very rough, jagged edge to them. You see, that one's just standing there chewing away, even though it's not actively eating anything. That's because giraffes are ruminants. They will chew their food multiple times as part of their digestive process. And that means that they can eat some of the tougher material, including the small branches or even the bark of the trees. Off in the shade of the trees to our right by that other giraffe. Also over to our left, those monkeys are mandrill monkeys. They have a very distinct blue and red coloration to their face. A little hard to tell, but that one just past the trees looks like she's got a baby mandrill on her.
Did you see the elephant, George?
Those trunks are incredibly strong. An elephant's trunk actually up ahead in this pond here, you probably recognize these pink birds. These are flamingos. Specifically, they're breeder flamingos. They're the largest.
So they stand on one leg?
And they're also typically the lightest pink in color.
I like flamingos.
Though they're well known for that pink color, they're not actually born that color. That's something they develop over time due to their diet. And when they're young, they're kind of a grayish-white color. That famous pink color comes from their diet, which contains a high amount of carotene. It's kind of stuck. And they have very wide mouths, perfect for grazing on the tall grass of the savanna. Whereas the black rhino has a narrow pointed upper lip, which they'll use for eating foliage, leaves and branches.
Sleeping like baby. We've got a little baby.
They will use those wings to help them balance and to redirect themselves while they run. And they are very fast runners. In fact, they can reach speeds of around 30 to 40 miles an hour, making them the fastest land animal to run on just 2 feet. Well, speaking of just fast animals, that is, if the lion is sleeping. Looks like there's a male and a female lion up there, just snoozing away. They'll sleep for around 16 to 20 hours out of the day. In the wild, a group of lions will typically consist of around 15 to 20 of them, though the majority of that group will be females. Only around 3 or so. They're very sharp tusks on their snout, so if they're threatened or frightening birds, just one ostrich egg weighs the same as about full-grown adults. They're small size, good for farmers, since they'll take up a lot less land than other cattle. They produce very sweet milk, which is considered to be highly valuable.
That one's hiding into the trunk.
They're very friendly, social animals. In fact, if you head over to Rafiki's Planet Watch, they'll have a little affection section over there where you can go up and pet some Nigerian porcupines. Take their home along that. A lot of animals you've seen here on our safari and on that trail are endangered or may be threatened of becoming an invasive species. There's lots of things you can do to help those animals out. You've probably heard it before, but practicing the 3 R's is a good first step. Your reduce, reuse, recycle. When everybody chips in and does their part, it can make a very big difference. So something I like to do is use a refillable water bottle.
Bits of that. Look at that big level. They're cleaning the bit You're very clever at it. Get little bugs and stuff on it, I think. A bit like how the fish do with sharks and whales.
Oh my! Mommy, look at that! It's zoom in. Mommy, if
Where's Tim doing that? Mommy's asleep and the baby. Oh, he's asleep.
So it's actually Dad there.